biggest mistake I see people making during their marriage, it's the signing of a quitclaim or disclaimer deed, particularly to get just maybe a half-point reduction in their mortgage interest rate, thinking that there are no consequences. There are. Consult a lawyer before signing a disclaimer or quitclaim deed. You don't want to end up giving up half the equity in your house as a gift to your spouse for such a minor change in an interest rate. The biggest mistake divorced people make is paying spousal maintenance or child support directly to the other party when their divorce decree tells them to pay it to the clearinghouse. If you don't follow that, it is very possible that the court would consider every dime you willingly gave to your spouse, former spouse, to be a gift and still make you repay all the child support or spousal maintenance again. Don't do it. Follow the court's orders. It's the way to protect yourself. Now, people also ask, what's the best parenting schedule? There is no perfect parenting schedule. It's the one that works for your family. And it's crucial that you find what works and really, really do it for the best interests of your children.